In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jira account. Whether you're new to Jira or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, making it as simple and straightforward as possible. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the Jira Atlassian website. Open your preferred browser and type in the URL or click on the link provided in the video description. Once there, you'll find yourself on the homepage of Jira, where you can start the journey of setting up your account. Next, you'll see a prompt to enter your work email. This step is crucial because Jira is usually used for professional purposes, so make sure to use the email address associated with your work. However, if you prefer an easier option or wish to link your Jira account to an existing service, you can continue by selecting one of the alternative sign-on options. These include Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack. Just click on the respective button of the service you'd like to use and follow the instructions provided to connect your accounts. Once you've entered your details or chosen an alternative login option, the next step is crucial for setting up your account securely. Go ahead and check your email inbox. You should receive a verification email from Jira. This email contains a link you'll need to click to verify your email address. If you can't find it in your main inbox, make sure to check your spam or junk mail folders, as sometimes important emails can be mistakenly filtered out. After clicking the verification link, you'll be directed back to the Jira website. At this point, you're almost ready to start using your Jira account. Simply go ahead and log in using the credentials or login method you initially selected. You'll be taken to your Jira dashboard, where you can start creating projects, managing tasks, and exploring all the features Jira has to offer. Remember, setting up your account is just the beginning. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the interface and tools available to get the most out of Jira. If you ever get stuck, there's plenty of support and documentation available on the Atlassian website to help guide you. Thanks for watching this guide on how to create a Jira account. We hope you found it helpful and are now ready to harness the power of Jira for your project management needs. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Happy project managing!